And that ADP private payrolls report is an important precursor to Friday's jobs number, and it came in just shy of expectations, but still showed steady job growth. 190,000 positions were created in August. Estimates called for 200,000 jobs. The sectors leading the gains were trade, transportation, utilities, and construction. That continued growth in jobs was baked into the Federal Reserve's so-called Beige book, which gives a snapshot of economic conditions around the country. That tightening labor market was no doubt a factor in the Fed's determination that the economy continues to expand, something supported by the recent look at second quarter GDP, which topped 3.5%. Hampton Pearson has more.
The latest Federal Reserve snapshot of economic conditions around the country found robust housing and auto sales driving an economy that continues to expand. The Fed says 11 of its 12 regional banks found their local economies growing at a moderate or modest pace from July through mid-August, following a rebound in overall economic growth in the second quarter to 3.7%. Labor markets are also tightening in many parts of the country, driving up workers' wages, especially in highly skilled jobs, from construction to information technology. And the latest Fed Beige book will be on the table when monetary policymakers meet in mid-September to consider raising key short-term interest rates for the first time in nearly a decade. Leading economists say part of the Fed's dual mandate, however, is not being met.
The reality of the situation is, even though the economy is slowly getting better, the inflation numbers are not getting any better, and you're nowhere near the Fed's target band.
Meanwhile, the oil industry in the Midwest continues to be hit by the sharp drop in energy prices, and consumers remain cautious when it comes to spending the money saved from lower gasoline prices. And the summer rebound in the economy happened before the recent downturn in China.
We really don't have a handle on how all of this Asian mess is going to come back and affect U.S. GDP growth. And unfortunately, the Beige book, while encouraging, I thought, predates a lot of the turmoil that we've seen coming out of Asia.
For the Fed, Friday's all-important jobs report could make or break the deadlock over raising interest rates when monetary policymakers meet in 2 weeks. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Hampton Pearson in Washington.